Hey crew.
That was so big.
Guys, today's agenda, New York City for the 4th of July. We're wearing the same outfit. Flossie, show them your outfit. Very good. Very good. Very good. Except I have a tank top on. Oh.
I'd show you the back of my shirt. It's really cute, but then I'd have to
Real. We're waiting for the train. We are not confident that it's coming when we think
because
it's
the
coming.
4th of July.
I got coffee. What'd you get? Pineapple juice is crazy at this hour.
Sparkling pineapple juice. It helps with nausea. So,
You're gonna tell them?
oh yeah. I woke up this morning. I said, I feel really, really nauseous. I was in the bathroom and I said, like 4 times. And then
4 times?
yeah. And then I said, well, time to get ready.
And now she's here.
I know.
Are you gonna throw up again?
Hope not.
See you in New York.
We're not gonna be there soon.
No,
We thought we were.
we're not gonna be there in like 2 hours. We're gonna be there in like 4 hours. Bye.
Bye.
I'm doing a vlog. Hey! We've arrived to the
We were able
villa.
to check in early.
We
have a stellar view.
We do. Let us show you. Wow. You gonna give us a tour of the hotel?
So right here is our first nightstand. There is our queen size bed.
It was more expensive for 2.
The second nightstand. Then we have this desk with a chair. It's pretty low to the ground. And this TV that has my name on it. We got this Keurig
Wow.
and this door.
Wow.
Back up for me.
Beep, beep,
Keep
beep.
going, keep going, keep going. Stop. Turn. You've got a mirror. And if you enter this door,
Wow.
and that concludes the tour.
Awesome. Current status, Color Factory. My way or the highway?
Hey, I'm eating a blue. Oh, I'm eating a blue fortune cookie. It's blueberry flavored.
It was kind of good. So the tea is, we tried to go to this vintage photo booth and I fear it didn't work.
It's cold for fire.
Yeah, like all the roads were closed for fireworks, so we couldn't figure out how to get there. So we came back here and now we have like 40 minutes to get ready. Fits for tonight.
Where did this dress come from? Oh, was it mango?
Papaya.
Oh, papaya. Necklace is from Francesca. I just have studs in. I forgot her earrings, but they're from TJ Maxx, I think, or my grandma. These sneakers are Nike. Don't show them, they're dirty. Rings, inherited.
Wow.
That's about all I've got.
This dress is from Hollister. Shoes are from Nike. Oh, I have this necklace from Hannah Malosha's website.
There we go.
From Starlight Village. My earrings. I think they're like all from Amazon. I don't know, my mom got them for me. Clip. Tarky.
Where was the dress from?
Hollister. We're going mini golfing and cocktails now. We walked all the way to Van Leuven to get that me espresso.
We don't see the sign. We're
I
waiting in line. It's really long.
dinner was so good.
We came for that me espresso.
We did. Maybe we'll watch some more Gerties before bed. We've been watching the Gerties.
love the birdies.
Bye. At the rooftop, hoping for fireworks. That's some water. Look at the view. It's day 2, aka the last day. We just went to this flower cafe. It's called It's Aloha. Aloha. I recommend. It was really good. It was really good, really cute. It's like underground. And now we're going to the 5-story Nike. And then just shopping today. And then going home because it's Pop's B-Day.